Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, talc powder equipment for pharmaceutical manufacturing. You might be wondering, why is this so important? Well, talc is a key ingredient in many medications. It's used as a glidant, helping powders flow smoothly during tablet production. But not all talc is created equal. Pharma-grade talc must be ultra-pure and consistent. That's where specialized equipment comes in to ensure safety and efficacy. Modern systems use advanced milling and grinding technologies to achieve fine, uniform particles. They incorporate air classifiers to separate particles by size, removing impurities. Dedusting units are essential too, minimizing airborne dust for a cleaner process. Automation plays a big role, with sensors monitoring quality in real time. This reduces human error and boosts productivity in manufacturing lines. Plus, equipment is designed for easy cleaning to prevent cross-contamination. It meets strict regulatory standards like those from the FDA and EMA. Investing in top-notch talc processing gear can save companies time and money. It enhances product quality, leading to better patient outcomes. If you're in pharma, upgrading your equipment could be a game changer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.